Hey there, welcome to the disturbing truth about YouTube automation. You clicked on this because you've probably heard some wild claims about making big bucks with YouTube automation. Well, in this video, we're going to dive into what's real and what's not. So stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know how to make YouTube automation work for you. Alright, let's talk about the juicy stuff, YouTube automation. Ever dreamt of sitting back while others do the heavy lifting? From script writing to video editing? We've all been there, imagining easy money rolling in. But is it really that simple? Brace yourself, it's not all glitz and glamour. You see, you could end up throwing loads of cash at overworked freelancers who couldn't care less about your project. It's frustrating and expensive. But don't worry, there's a smarter way. The buzz lately is all about AI doing the heavy lifting, writing scripts, narrating, editing videos, you name it. But here's the deal. AI should be your assistant, not your boss. The point is, don't let AI dictate all of your content for you. It should only be assisting you with creating your content. Can you really make it big with YouTube automation? You bet. Every day, folks just like you are achieving remarkable success.
I run over a dozen different YouTube channels and I make around $30,000 a month just from ad revenue alone.
The trick is working hard, even when you have freelancers on your team. Your involvement is key to quality. When it's time to hire freelancers, don't rush. It's not about snagging the cheapest deal. Take your time, research, and check out their previous work. You might need to test a few before finding your perfect match. Quality is the name of the game. If you're serious about YouTube, consider learning the ropes, like script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnail design. It can make a world of difference. Even if you plan to hire help, your hands-on skills will add genuine value to your channel. But that's not all. Here's the secret sauce. To truly shine, you need to master the YouTube algorithm. Think of it as your co-pilot on this wild YouTube journey. Why is it so important? Well, this algorithm is your golden ticket to reaching your audience. You see, it's not just about creating content. It's about creating content that resonates with the very people you're trying to reach. The algorithm understands your audience's preferences and serves your videos to the right viewers. So as you embark on this adventure, don't just focus on the basics. Dive deep into the algorithm and let it be your guiding star to reach your audience. In a nutshell, we've uncovered the whole YouTube automation game. Remember, those claims of quick cash through outsourcing may not always pan out. To make YouTube automation your ticket to success, stay involved. Choose your freelancers wisely and invest in your skills. You've got this.